It can take your money eventually. We don't know why it's going on. Which can't be this one? Yes, I will find will help me. Be my liver. Don't waste all my time since this guy anymore.
Happy Sunday.
Sir to you, sir.
God bless you.
God bless you, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, please, I want your help.
Sorry, I'm late for church.
Sir, please get me out now, please. I forgot my phone inside the house, and my sister already taking the key to the church already. So I just want you to help me. I've been trying. Please, sir, please.
Get here behind me, devil. I'm late for church.
Sir, okay. If you help me now, I'll follow you to church. Please.
You follow me to church?
Yes, sir.
Meaning I just want a soul for God.
Yes, sir.
And heaven will rejoice over a soul that was won for God. Lord, if this be your will, so be it your will. Hallelujah. Lead the way. Hallelujah. I am not going to church alone. Oh, here. Okay, that's your phone. You cannot get here. Okay.
Let me go use this stick.
Hold my Bible.
Okay, sir.
The red phone, Abi?
Yes, sir. The two, sir.
The two?
Yes, sir.
The red one. The two?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What type of place? Oga, I'm on my way to church. Madam, Madam, come now, madam.
You will handicap.
We must.
Oh!
No, for this place.